Well, to catch you all up, I'll just rewind here a bit, just to a clip I left out of the last video. So hold on. There.
Well, we're selling the boat.
So there's that. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel.
Weather predictions has been a little off, and there is 0 wind. Still, we've been motoring all night. Hopefully it increases during the day. We at least have been making good speed under engine. We have following swell and everything. It's a rolly one.
We need books while we're still laying down.
You need books?
We need books.
Alright, let's go get books.
What are you doing?
It's the new hype.
Look, here we go. Alright.
To sail the rest. Cross our fingers. It's increased for sure, and it's a southerly wind, so it could be a fun run up the Gulf Stream to St. Augustine. We'll see how far we make it. Yeah!
This is what takes out our boat. Because I just watched like 2 huge lightning strikes hit, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. This is how our boat goes right here. So I turned it on, I was like, if I'm gonna at least get hit by it, I want it on film. Joko Killer's back.
Oh no, it's not a toy. Yeah, why don't we put that in that winch behind you? So we have done a 180 almost to St. Augustine, and there's thunderstorms all over. They are rolling in, they're changing direction. We do not feel safe proceeding, even though it's like first light in a couple hours. I know this camera's horrible, it's just wanted to give an update on the way here. We're changing direction, going to New Smyrna for a stopover. We've been there a few times before, so at least we know the inlet, we know the spots we could possibly anchor and like get ready and stuff like that. So yeah, that is status. Oof. Nighttime sailing is about 4:30 a.m. right now, and we are 18 miles off of the New Smyrna inlet, so should be fine. Oh man, these nights.
Far away until you're out of sight. You're out of sight.
glad we're not all there.
The important part, it doesn't look too bad from here, which is why it's like, it almost feels like it's
It's
just
50
sucks
miles
that
away
that we
though
turned
right
away.
now.
But then, yeah, it's a big storm that was producing water spouts and like hail and up to like 50 knots of wind. So we were like, yeah, let's not do that today.
We got close to land and got a radar update. And then we've seen all the marine warnings and everything, and I was like, oh, turn around.
At least on a sailboat on a passage, we're pretty good about updating weather if we
Yeah,
can.
and that's our third night offshore. Or
Yeah,
third night offshore.
third night offshore.
Yeah,
No, third night underway.
yeah, so we haven't had an accurate prediction in quite a bit.
Updated a little bit on the inReach, but it's not very.
It didn't show that. I took a
And you woke up
screenshot.
just in time.
Don't look back, don't forget, you gotta let go while you can.
Running down here, but. Alright, trying to run this corner, make our way in. But yeah, people running around here, so we're gonna have to try to make it just like
I've ran around
close
here.
right here. Cody's running around here. You did it at like 1 knot. We have friends who've done it at like 6 knots.
You don't even know.
There's dolphins right there. Right here. Hi, dolphin.
Okay.
I know, I am. It's just they're coming at us. They're following us. They're gonna show us. Show us, dolphins, where to go. All right. So trick is apparently to make it close to that red piling. Hug that real close. You can actually see it now in the color of the water here almost. I feel like maybe it's an illusion, but. Thank you, dolphins.
They were trying to tell you, hug
Yeah.
the port side of the channel. All right, so
Hug the 18 as close as you can.
this is low tide here, right?
Yeah, so we're an hour past it. So about 7 feet.
It is possible to do.
It's 6.5
right?
foot then.
But it's 4 foot if you go anywhere that dolphin's at.
Yeah. So you see green marker right there in the middle of the channel. Go south side of that. And then you see the red buoy and the red piling number 18. Hug that side. The dolphins are still swimming there. That's unbelievable. That's so cool.
What's weird is it was like sucking us in.
Yeah.
So it was just like drifting, like, please don't hit.
Either way. Good job,
What's a way to
team.
make it through?
Good job, team. Dirty poop water of the ICW.
Crazy that there's this many rich people in America. They're gonna slide off of that house. Oh, it's so bad. It sucks going from Bahamas crystal clear to Charlie's Chocolate Factory.
That is literally Charlie.
Well, good morning. You wanna get Millie out of here?
You woke up from your nap just in time for this last bridge before St. Augustine.
Second round of St. Augustine. We were here this morning at 4 a.m. Exactly 12 hours ago, we were sitting here.
We were not in the ICW exactly 12 hours ago on the other side, ocean side.
So if you're ever wondering, hey, you know, I don't feel like going in St. Augustine Inlet. I'll just be off the coast, turn around and go all the way down to East America, then come all the way back up here on the inside. Takes 12 hours.
A full U-turn is what you call that. I don't see that thing moving at all.
Right, we made it. We made it. We have made it to St. Augustine, which is exactly what we wanted to do at the beginning at 4 a.m. this morning when the storm made us turn around and tack on another 60 miles. It was about a 96-hour trip from when we left Spanish Wells, either way. And we're exhausted, beat. But we made it. The boat's safe. Everyone's safe. Millie, you're safe. You did an awesome job. I think you're definitely over 2,000 miles at this point for sure. But we just got a mooring ball at the Municipal Marina over here in St. Augustine. And we're hoping, fingers crossed, we heard that you can shower if you get that. So we're gonna go and see if we can knock off some salt and feel like a human being again.
Multiple human beings.
Oh, multiple human beings. All right. We did it.
All right.
High five. High five. High five. High five. High five.
High five.
What? No high fives?
Tired.
You tired? High five? Good job. Mwah. We made it.
And off we went, first to the airport to check me into the country properly, and then to our friend's farm for a breather, watching a baby horse get born and exhale for a minute while thinking of our next move.
What is this? You have shoes on? Walking in grass?
Then once this thing starts walking and stuff, we gotta get it to the barn.
Yeah.
It's always yes. No, you get yes and no from us.
Good cop, bad cop.
Hey, horsey, come on. Tell me I'm the best for bringing your sunglasses when you clearly forgot.
Well, I thought I could beat the sun.
Yeah. Where?
We've been driving all night.
It's not true. In all realness, what are we doing?
That is the real question.
Yeah. Do you want to answer it, or should I answer?
You go ahead.
All right.
I have to focus.
Yeah, he has to focus. He's driving.
I get to do this once a year.
We don't drive cars very often. Well, how do we do this? Vinyasa's up for sale, people. Well, anyway, that is true, and I feel like that needed a bigger, build up. But yeah, we're switching boats, and we're currently on our way to a different place in Florida to look at a prospect that seems promising.
Okay, let's pause here. We actually did not end up getting this boat, and as it turned out, it would be a blessing in disguise. But as we walked through the boat, we got to picture what it would be like to move on to an older boat, which is what was motivating the sale in the first place. We wanted a place that felt more like a home. And with that in mind, we could go back to St. Augustine, fully motivated to put Vinyasa in the yard and get her ready for picture day, while Cody's parents came out to help out and spend some time.
Gotcha.
Tack för allt. Många fina minnen i din trygga famn.
They were sort of like a stone crab, but didn't have, they call them tree crabs. Tree crabs.
But they're part of it.
I natten och du lyser starkt. Viljorna forever in my mind. Forever. I will lose
Waiting on the bridge in St. Augustine, we're going into the yard. We've had what looks like our last night on Vinyasa. It was kind of a thing I didn't really think about until I almost woke up this morning, and it was like, we're never gonna spend a night on her again. I'm gonna put her up on the hard for a few days, get her ready for sale. Pretty crazy. so much has happened since we've had her, and we didn't even, you know, film anything about the last night. It actually was pretty eventful. Went to bed pretty calm, and then a storm came through, and Cody spent half the night awake. And Millie's been having a cold, and today it's freezing northerly in Florida, and it feels like we're in Norway right now. The air is so dry. Cody has taken away the ghetto solar panel system that we had going for the season, and we're gonna get everything situated and good here. It's the first day in the yard. I'm gonna move all of the food off the boat first, get it into an Airbnb, and then we're gonna take it from there step by step. It's like gonna be 2 busy weeks here, but feeling good. So we are back at the yard today, day 2, getting the boat ready for sail. There's a couple projects that we need to do, some buffing out, just to make the boat look shiny and everything. Cody's outside. It's weird though. Already had the last night on the boat. We've been in an Airbnb. At least Millie is big enough now to hang out with the grandparents and not need me all day, which that's a huge relief. So yeah. Let's get to it. Oh man, it's hot.
It's like 90.
It'll be cooler tomorrow. Well, we're on the final stretch last week here. And it's gonna be a little sad, but we're getting there. Replaced the in-mast furling line today. That was something I'd never done before.
Our sail's still on the ground, isn't it?
Went pretty smooth. Our head sail, I've been cleaning that up. It's drying as we speak. Yeah, but that's okay.
No one's gonna appreciate the amount of work we put in the past 2 weeks.
She's a good one. Millie's on the beach again every day, enjoying herself, having the time of her life, so that's great with the grandparents. All right.
That's a shell.
We even snuck away to the beach one day.
Cody's parents just left. Yeah, that's a sad day. Millie has a bit of a cold. She's a little grumpy. And, well, last day in our Airbnb for now. I think we moved out of the boat, and gonna be a little sad. Millie, do you know what's going on?
No idea. Not a clue.
No clue. Man, I'm tired. It's like, I just want to get, it's exhausting to clean up a boat, get it ready for sale, sell a boat, buy a boat, move, like all these things is like huge. But yeah, we're gonna go now see Vinyasa as a family, I think, for the last time, and gonna bring you with us. Yeah, ready to go? Go, go, go.
Go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Go, go.
Go.
Oh. Final moments. This is it.
Alright, where's the U-Haul place?
Oh, gotta find it. Last. Say bye-bye to Vinyasa.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, it's just, you thought we had a tiny moving truck? No, we got a huge one.
Get the snubber on it.
And then we're gonna go to the house, pack up our stuff and be out of here tomorrow. Drive down to our friend's place, put all our stuff in storage, and then we can relax a little. Let's get going. Let's get moving.
Oh boy. Alright, here we go. Chugga, chugga, chugga,